The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has twice rejected a joint effort by ARK Investment Management and 21 Shares. The effort was to list a spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund. The SEC stated that the Bbaco exchange had not demonstrated that its proposal would prevent fraud and other malicious practices. This exchange would be the listing venue for the ETF. Numerous applications for a Bitcoin ETF have been rejected, but some funds tracking the BTC futures market have been approved. Grayscale Investments, owned by CoinDesk parent Digital Currency Group, has taken legal action against the SEC's decision. Oral arguments will be heard in March. This is the second time the SEC has rejected an attempt to list a spot Bitcoin ETF in the US. The SEC cited concerns about preventing fraud and other malevolent practices as the reason for the rejection. Despite this, the SEC has approved a number of funds tracking the BTC futures market. Grayscale Investments, which had its bid rejected, is now taking legal action against the SEC. The market remains unpredictable and the direction is yet to be decided in the near future. Ethereum has seen a surprising upward reversal, while Cardano has grown steadily with a current resistance level of 42 cents. Aptos has seen a steady increase in value and interest, though there is not much fundamental evidence to support the recent performance. Social metrics suggest that investors are de-risking and there are still many opportunities for growth in the market. Overall, the market remains unpredictable and the direction it will move in the foreseeable future is still to be determined. However, Ethereum and Cardano remain two of the most promising assets, while Aptos continues to show strength with its steady performance. David Landsman argues that business leaders can be more successful by taking cues from the world of diplomacy. This includes taking the time to understand the situation before reacting, understanding the motivations of those they deal with, and being aware of the potential for unintended signals when dealing with people from different cultures. He believes that by understanding what success looks like for the other side, leaders can present an alternative route to success. Alternatively, they can present an alternative vision of the world which moves them in the right direction. David Landsman is a great example of how the lessons learned from diplomacy can be applied to the business world. He emphasizes the importance of understanding the situation before reacting and the need to understand each side's interests. He also highlights the importance of considering how one's actions will be interpreted by other cultures. Through his work as an advisor and chairman, Landsman is able to apply these lessons and promote successful business initiatives. Bitcoin prices have been on the rise, reaching a multi-month high of $23,800.13. This marks an increase of over 40% since the start of the year, after suffering a 65% loss in value in 2022. It also marks a significant improvement from November 2021, when the cryptocurrency reached an all-time high of nearly $69,000. Despite falling to lows in 2021 and November 2020, Bitcoin has managed to stay north of $15,000, a price point it did not reach until 2017. There is no certainty about where it will go in the future, but the digital currency is likely heading for a six-figure value. This news is positive for the cryptocurrency market, as the recent price surge indicates increased investor confidence and demonstrates the potential of Bitcoin to reach new highs. The long-term outlook for the digital currency is uncertain, but its resilience over the past year indicates that it could be heading for a six-figure value.